Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and we have the freshly launched OnePlus 6 here, and today we are going to do an unboxing, see what all the hype is all about with this device. Okay guys, you're going to have to bear with me a little bit. Right now I am in a hotel room. I am in New York for the OnePlus 6 event, and this is the very phone that Linus from Linus Tech Tips gave to me. Now let's go ahead and just take a good look at this. Here we have the need for speed. This most likely is in connection to the 8 gigs of RAM that this device has. So what do we have here? This is the OnePlus 6 mirror black 128 gigs, which is pretty good considering this was a free device that they gave me. 128 gigs. Got the beautiful and simple OnePlus logo. I can never get enough of that logo right here. It has to be definitely just one of my favorite logos of all times. Alright, in here it's really easy. Got a phone. Plop that guy up, turn it over, and as you can see we have the mirror black, which is most likely a monster when it comes to fingerprints. So kind of get used to that if you plan on going naked on this. Let me go ahead and just pull this guy off right here. Sorry for bumping the camera. Down there it says designed by OnePlus. Might be a little hard to see on the mirror, but it is there, I absolutely promise. Now let's see what else is in the box before we flip this on. Alright, so this is actually, looks like there's stuff in here. This is a box. It opens up at this end. Oh! Holy, what? What? What's this? Oh, it's good stuff. Usually this is something I throw away, but look at this. It's got a little, how clever is this? It's a phone case. Thank you, OnePlus. We've got this little guy here. Don't know what that is, the sticker. We're gonna take that off. We got our SIM card ejector. We've got the 6 here. So this is like our little manual. This is what we got, a manual, stuff. I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say it. That's pretty cute. Good job, OnePlus. Now we have the ever loving dash charge. Boom. Dash. Gotta love that. And now we have our dash charging cable, which is phenomenal. Really good build. That's a great cable. Great build. And this appears to be about it for the box. We've got our dash charging. We have this. We get our SIM card ejector tool with a little little phone inside of the phone. Makes a great use of the space. And a pretty solid tray here. Not know if we're ever going to need it or do anything with it again, but it is really, really a solid device. And it comes with a screen. Sorry, a phone case. It comes with it out the box for this amazing value, and they also give you a case. This is phenomenal. I wonder if there's any other specs on the back of this battery that we actually care to read. Blah 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 blah. No, that's about it. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and dig into this thing and get it set up for you guys. But one last thing, let me go over and show you the bag of goodies that came with the OnePlus event. Alright, we are back getting situated again. Gonna go ahead, get everything put back together. Here's my brand new OnePlus 6 phone that I'm about to get going and set up. But before that happens, let me go ahead and show you the other goodies that came from OnePlus. Ugh, there we go. This was this is a great bag. I'm not going to go as far as to say that this is leather, but it's leather-like enough. It's impressive, right? Leather-like enough. It is impressive. Now, inside here, they said that they put some goodies in here, and I've kind of not really gone through it until I'm on camera with you guys. So we're going to look together and see what they gave us. Never settle. There we go. Never settling. This looks like some kind of dust cover for my book bag. This, what's this? Like some sort of cell phone case, or no, sorry. It's late. It's like 4 a.m. and I'm still doing videos. For the love of tech, we love you. Like a laptop case, kind of. What kind of protection it would provide. Maybe you could put cords or cables in it. It's got the little OnePlus logo right there, so it's something. Oh. Oh. Well, look at this. It's another phone case. These guys, they keep giving out cases. Let's check this out. All right. If I, what is this made out of? Sandstone protective case. Feels good. It's nice and grippy. Super grippy. Put that case on there. Well, that feels good. It feels amazing. It feels like sandpaper in your hand. A little grippy though. I like it. Again, great job, OnePlus. You guys are killing it with this launch. Bunch of free swag, a book bag, a hat. I've got a shirt somewhere laying around here. A shirt. They gave you a shirt. Not to mention ice cream, and I got the free phone. Here it is. We're going to boot this up and get it going. Chances are it's like all other Android phones when it loads up, so not really going to go ahead and do that demonstration for you guys. You already know how that goes. But I will have a review, a little bit more in-depth user experience on this device coming out really quick. Next is going to launch the camera comparison between this and the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, the claimed camera champion of the market at the moment. Let's see what this camera's gonna do. I don't know. For the love of tech, you know we're always doing a giveaway. Let me go ahead and get a Roman numerals 2803 dash and leave me a comment about what kind of photos do you want to see in the camera comparison. For the love of tech, namaste.